Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the mass thrust oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the mass thrust oscillator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 385 indicators with a total of 156 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 156 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the mass thrust oscillator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. This is a cheat country created indicator. And so like most of his indicators, they modify the bar or candle color on the price action. And so we're going to go ahead and turn that off because that is often requested by viewers. And basically what we are looking for is the oscillating line here below to switch from green to red. And so when it switches to red, we're going to go short. When it changes to green, we're going to go long. Pretty simple setup, not too much to it. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. So we pick up the first signal right here. And so if you look at the coordinates, these numbers right here, you can see if you hover over specific parts of the oscillating line, you can see how it changes colors. And so that will give you an idea of what color the oscillating line is currently in. Like I said, right here is our first signal, and that's going to be a long. Looks like it gets us to take profit. Let's just double check the downside here. Stays within our stop and does get us to take profit. So first one, and not too bad. Continue this forward a little bit. We pick up a short right there for just a moment. And unfortunately, almost immediately, we get stopped out to a signal going the opposite direction. That one does get us to take profit, though. Then over here on this side, we flip short right about there. And that one is also going to get us to take profit. We then pick up a long right there on that one. I don't think this has stopped us out yet. Let's just double check. Nope, it is within our stop. It then tumbles down right there, and that is going to get us stopped out. Then a short right here. Don't think it's quite made it. Maybe it has. Not quite. Need about 10 more pips out of it, and right there we get it. So actually, let's double check here. Looks like we may have gotten in trouble here as it flip-flopped itself. Just measure this out one more time. Yeah, it looks like we didn't actually hit it until over there. So what happened was we get a flip to the long side right here for about one candle or so. Then a flip back to the downside right there. Now that one does get us to take profit, but we took a few losing trades back to back there, so that's always a bummer. Go ahead and play it forward a little bit more here. So we pick up a long right there, and once again, I don't think we get to take profit. We did not. Excuse me. And then over here on this side, takes us for a short, and that one does. Let's measure this out right here for just a moment. There to there. Yeah, that one does get us to take profit. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut some of the video out here. That way things will get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. You can also find a link to our Discord down below. Once you sign up for our Patreon, it'll give you access to the Patreon-only channel where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platform quite a bit rather than Tradingview, that would be a really handy list for you to have. Our regular members as well as our admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting, taking profit on trades. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, one thing that I've been doing here recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so it shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates, as well as links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that list as well as the full list of indicators and their win rates, as well as which ones were losers and which ones were winners. So a lot of really great information. Great benefits for a really, really cheap price. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's get everything in focus here. All right, there we are. Let's count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. 54 trades altogether. That is quite a few. And then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 winning trades. And so that is definitely not going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator seemed to suffer the same fate as a lot of them, where they just give a crazy amount of signals in a short period of time, and they're not very accurate, just kind of pinballing you in and out of trades. And so this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.